Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2015 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio headphone jacks, rear, capless fuel filler system, audio, rear, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.